So here it is, my new Forza 300. Just gonna take the transmission cover now. It's fairly easy. Just some couple bolts. Bike, it's only just after its first service, so it's only just over 600 miles now. Nothing seized, so it should come off quite easy now. Yeah, this is how it looks without the cover off, without the cover on. Sorry. Now I'm just gonna replace the weights for lighter ones. I thought I was buying Dr. Pulleys that I used on my other bikes, but I bought Tech Pulley. They are slightly different shape. To take the variator off, I'm using a Makita impact drill with the 14 impact socket on. That's that's the both halves of the variator. There's some wear already after just over 600 miles on it. These are the stock rollers, stock weights. I believe they're about stock ones. They're about 19 grams. So gonna go and replace them with the lighter ones. The ones I bought, they are 17 grams. So yeah, these are the new weights, different shape compared to our stock ones. What's worrying me is there's a bit of a scar on this one. It's still brand new, so don't know how that happened. Well, by brand new I mean only with a 600 miles on it, so don't know what happened with this. Oh. Right, I can't see anywhere on a metal ramp here, so it's just a plastic weight that looks to have some damage. What you can see on the surfaces on those pulleys, this is shiny bit, and ideally they're supposed to touch each other to allow for the bird to travel further out on it. So there's like a higher ratio that will allow for more top speed. So that didn't happen, and well, after installing those, I'm gonna try it for some time, and then maybe take it apart and have a look if that improved the movement of those both pulleys with the different shape of the weights. Yeah, I gave that those ramps are a little clean, so they are ready to put the new weights in. So these are the new weights, 17.2 grams, and the stock one 19. I have taken the second pulley off just to make sure the belt is pushed between those two pulleys. Otherwise, when you put this front one in, when you tighten it, you'll be just squeezing the belt, so you might have to make sure the belt is out of the middle when you tighten the nut back on. Otherwise, it might come loose when you're riding it. Yeah, here it is. Everything back where it was. Because belt is pushed in inside that back pulley. There's some slack on the front one, as you can see. It's very important, because otherwise you instead of tightening this nut up, when you pinch that belt, it won't be tight enough. It would look tight, but then it might come off loose at speed, and that could be some dangerous. So hopefully that's all done. Just what's left is to put it back together as it was, making sure no spare parts left, and just take it for a little test drive and see how it performs.